Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 15. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once it turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can release. Probably the easiest method on the internet to fix whatever problem you have going on with your phone. If you guys need any other assistance on anything Apple related, I will be willing to help you guys. Just comment down below or message me on Instagram. You can release if you already haven't. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go, your phone's been resetted.